So we have given here a function that is wx is equal to, function gives -1 value when x is equal to 2 by 3. Function gives 5 value when x is equal to 1. And function gives 1 value when x is belongs to closed interval 0 to open interval 2 by 3. Union open interval 2 by 3 to closed interval 1. So we have to show that this given function is Riemann integral on interval 0 to 1. So to prove this given function is Riemann integral, first we have to define here the partition. So the partition is, that is denoted by Pn, is equal to, you know that x0 is equal to 0